everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello my beautiful subscribers, new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, you just click on this video to see the wig. Hello, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful day, whatever day of the week you're watching this. I hope life is going good for you. I hope you're being easy with yourself, not working too hard, taking some time to relax and enjoy life. I got this wig offline. I saw it on Instagram. I saw like one of the hair pages post it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that wig because I love red hair and I love inches. So red inches, this wig was perfect for me. This is the wig that I'm going to be wearing today. It's from Bobbi Boss Lace First Class Hair. I know that's right. 40-inch extra long high ventilation cap, lightweight cap for ultimate breathability. It's made with HD transparent lace. The style is MLF 918 Raya, and the color is a T1B red. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to cut her off because she's a little, okay. Now she is rolled in there, y'all. Like she is, I like the way they packaged the wig though. She's rolled in there because she's very long, gosh. Since I wore a 40-inch wig. Has it? I think it has. I'm sorry, I'm just throwing everything all over the floor, but it's okay because this is my house. I do what I want it to. Okay. Oh, so this is, oh my gosh, this is how she looks. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Okay, so this is how the lace looks. Let's turn it around. This wig has two clips in the front, and they go right here, not to the side, like right there. It has a large clip in the, well, no, like a medium size clip in the back, and then it comes with the normal wig straps. First things first, before I even tint the lace or anything, I'm going to try it on to see how it looks on my head and how it feels, and then we can get into installing it. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Whew, that is tight. And we're gonna have to definitely tint this lace, because this lace is not my color at all, not even close. Okay, wow, it's really pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, like, and you would think with a long wig like this it will start tangling. No tangling, no tangling-a-langin'. I'm just gonna go ahead and install it because it's literally gorgeous. So you guys know I always tint the lace, and I tint the lace with Dola Hair's Lace Tint Mousse. I got it from Amazon. I'm not affiliated with Dola Hair. I'm not a sponsor. I'm not a ambassador for them. I just literally found it on Amazon. So, and I got the color medium brown. Now it is messy, so I do use gloves to tint the lace. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And then I use a blow dryer to dry it. It doesn't look like this wig takes much to install. Literally just tinting the lace, cutting the lace, and laying it down. And I feel like you can wear it glueless too because it's really tight. But all in all, I'm about to install it, so keep watching.
We the children of light, and we will never let up, never giving up fight, yeah. We didn't make it through the night, yeah. Done the crawling all night, but keep your head up, Charlie. We were made for this life, yeah. Wait to see how we rise up. We've been there for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner, all the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run, keep on surviving. In this war for no reason, now we changing the season, yeah. Storm is over now, storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now. Storm is over now, storm is over.
Because this wig is kind of glueless, like I don't even need to glue this area right here because it's so tight. I'm literally just gonna do the flaps by my ear, because why add all that glue and when I don't need to. I'm gonna be using ESHA's Melt and Slay spray, and you guys know what I do is I kind of spray it on this little spoolie right here. I don't like to spray it directly on my face because I have on makeup and just gotta be careful. So I spray it on that. Then I just apply it like that. And then I just hold this down and then I blow dry. Simple.
Now me I say storm is over now. Storm is change is coming tonight. Can see the sky start to clear up. We've been waiting for life, no. Never giving up the fight, no. Start a countdown right now. About to take off, yeah. It's our turn to rise up. We're the children of light. Oh, we've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner. All the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run. Keep on surviving in this war for no reason. Now we changing the season, yeah. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now.
Guys, this is how the hair came out. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the side that I did. Let me just put that behind my ear for the one time so you guys can see how the side is looking. I'm going to stand up and show you guys the full view of the wig. I'm also going to show you the back, and then we will be finished with this review. Overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. No tangling. For 40 inches, that's good. No tangling, no shedding. Yeah, the hairline is good. It has a nice part. It's soft. I recommend this wig. 10 out of 10. This is how long it is, as you can see. I'm gonna go sit down and show you how it looks from the back instead of standing up. But yes, guys, she's absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love this hair. Oh my goodness. I'm thinking about like if I was to like do this and kind of like put it behind my, like do a swoopty. I want to see how a swoopty would look. Let me see how a quick little swoopty would look. Oh, okay. A swoopty would look nice too. I mean, obviously I will have to style it better because I just like tucked it behind the ear. And I gotta just be careful. But this is how it looks behind the ear. It looks really pretty too. So tell me, do you guys like it with the swoopy or do you like it just like straight out? The hair is absolutely perfect. I like it but tucked behind the ears. I don't really like hair on my face. Y'all know that. I don't like, that's why I don't really wear side parts. It's either a middle part because I don't like the hair over here. So it looks better tucked. I can add a little bit of spray to this part. And then I'll just blow dry it a little. I'm gonna end this video putting on my new shades that I just got from Bella Donda. Is it Donda? Donna? Hope I'm saying it right. Bella Donna. But it looks like this. And it's a LA based brand, and I purchased it because I have good news coming soon. I will explain a get ready with me life update in another video. Just know I bought these because it's an LA brand and you already know the rest. So I'm gonna just put them on. They're so, oh my gosh, I look so cool. I look like a rock star for real with the piercings and the glasses. It's giving. What is it giving? It's giving rock star, right? Anyway, guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you so much for watching. It's weird because I'm so used to big shades, so they like come here. I think I can do it like this, right? Do people wear them like this? Or do I wear it like this? Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you think about this hair. Ooh, look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Absolutely perfect, y'all. You need to grab this wig ASAP. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.
We the children of light.